recording the gameplay in your mobile phone and you are getting such issues like say you're getting watermark, lags, and your phone get heats, you're not getting any option of webcam so that you can record your face with the recording of your gameplay, and you're not getting any option to mention the logo, to mention the text on the screen recording. So this video, a little setting, you are going to resolve these entire concern that you are facing while recording the gameplay in your mobile phone. So this video is really going to help you out, and before getting into the video content, I want to tell you about me. I am Meeta and I'm making the video on concrete stuffs. I'm making the video on the basic information. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it now. Let's see that how we can resolve these concerns that you're facing while recording your gameplay. So let's see that how we can do. For that, you have to open the Google Play Store or Play Store in your mobile phone, and you have to install this screen recorder that I have mentioned. So I'm going to show you here the screen recorder that you have to use here. So this screen recorder, in which you find the Kimsey 929, you have to install this screen recorder. And once you install this recorder, what you have to do, I'm going to show you the setting that you have to do it here. So here, as you can get the icon of setting, you have to click on this setting icon. These are the basic settings that you can do, and here you are getting the option of the on the top of 3-second current time delay. So once you click on the screen recording, it will get start recorded after 3 seconds. Here you can see the option of pause recording when screen off. So if you want to enable this feature, like say that if your mobile screen gets off, your recording will also get paused. So if you want this feature, you can enable this one. So here we have resolution. Resolution, you have to keep it same what it is mentioned here, because it is selected as per your device. So you don't have to change it. You have to keep it same by default, which is mentioned here. And I'm going to keep it same. You have to also keep it same as per your device. Orientation, you have to select auto, or you have to keep on auto as it is mentioned here. And if you want to change in the landscape or portrait mode, so you can do, but if you keep on auto, so whatever state you will keep your mobile phone, it will be automatically recorded in that state. Now we have the bit rate. So here you can see that it defined the video quality, so you can compromise a little bit with the video quality if your phone get heats. So you can select or you can reduce the Mbps little bit. So here I'm going to select the 6. So you can reduce if you are getting the issue of phone heat while recording, so you can select this one. And here's the frame rate. The same concern if you're facing, if your phone get heat, so you can reduce it little bit. So here, as you can see, that frame rate is 60 fps, so you can reduce it little bit if you're getting the issue of phone heat. So I'm going to reduce it a little bit. Now we have the, you can see that record audio. Record audio, if you want your voice get recorded while recording up the gameplay, then you can enable this one. So this feature, if you want, you can enable this one. Now we have audio bitrate. So if you are getting again the same issue of phone heat, so you can manage little bit with the sound quality. It is not going to affect much, so you can reduce it little bit. And here, as you can see, that I'm going to show you. So here 128 kbps, so you can reduce it little bit. Here I'm getting one option of 64 kbps, so I'm going to select this one. Now we have the audio sample rate, as you can see mentioned below. So I'm going to reduce it a little bit, the audio sample rate, even if let's say that we're facing the issue of phone heat. So yes, you can use or you can reduce this one. So we have to reduce these bit rates little bit, and we are only having the 4 option where we have to reduce the bit rate so that we can or we get resolve this phone heating issue. And audio channel, you have to keep it mono. And audio source, here it is. If you want your voice get recorded, then you can select the mic, and if you want only internal sound get recorded, then here's the option, fourth number option of internal sounds. You can select that one. Most of the mobile phone they will not get this internal sound option, so you can select the mic that time. But if this feature available in your mobile phone, if your device supports, so definitely you are going to get this option. Now show touch option, if you want to show the touch that you are doing on the screen while recording up the gameplay, so you can select this. You can enable this one. So this is the feature that you have to change. Now we have, as I informed, that if you want the logo, if you want the text to be shown on the screen, so here it is, and here the setting that you have to do. So I'm going to open the banner text, and here as you can see that screen recorder mentioned here. So this text you can change. At the place of screen recorder, you can keep your name or logo, whatever you want, you can change. The background color, the text color you can mention, and this text will also be shown on the screen recording of yours. So let's say that I'm mentioning my name here, and if I'll click on OK, you can see that my name mentioned here, and while recording I'll be getting this text mentioned over the screen. So this setting, if you want, you can do, and the color, background color, border, whatever you want, you can give it from here. So I'm going to show you about next is logo image. If you want to show the logo on the top of the screen recording or on your screen, then you can use the logo, and you can select the logo, and as per you, your logo will be shown on the recording of yours. So I think this screen recorder is providing you much features, and this is really going to resolve your entire concern. Now show camera option, if you want to use the webcam, your face also gets recorded, and if you want this feature you can enable this one. And here as you can see the option of use camera, so you have to keep it front camera. So these are the settings that you have to do here. And I hope that whatever the issues we have discussed that you are facing, this app is resolving. So you can install this app from the Play Store, and it is really easy to execute. And as you can see that blue logo it is showing here of video recording, so you can click on it if you want to do the recording. So I hope that your entire concern, your entire issues that you are facing while recording the gameplay, so this is going to definitely resolve with this screen recorder. Hope this video is helpful for you if you're looking for such a screen recorder. Thumbs up to this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it now. I'm making the video on the concrete stuffs, and I'm carrying the information, basic information that we all should know. So be the member of my YouTube family by subscribing my channel, give thumbs up, and share this video as much as possible from you. Support me in growing my channel. Till then, take care. See you soon.